आज इस चाय के स्वाद में कुछ खास बात है।
देखते हैं खाना कैसे बनाती है।
भाभी, मेरे लिए सब्जी रोटी।
भाभी, मेरे लिए स्पेशल बासमती राइस।
डॉक्टर साहिबा, सबकी पसंद का ख्याल कैसे रखोगी? मेरी भी कुछ डिमांड है।
एक डॉक्टर होने के नाते सेहत का ख्याल रखना मेरा फर्ज है और एक बहू होने के नाते परिवार वालों का दिल जीतना भी मेरा फर्ज है। ये सब पॉसिबल हो पाया है पंचामृता की वजह से। इंडिया का फर्स्ट फोर्टिफाइड राइस और इनके सारे प्रोडक्ट जो खाने में पौष्टिक तत्व की कमी को भर देते हैं। I certified where food is fortified.
This program is presented by Smart Bazaar.
Hello and welcome to Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this program we take a look at the latest releases. Today we will take a look at Ground Zero, which is set in Kashmir. It is impossible to watch this film set in Kashmir without keeping in mind the tragedy that unfolded in Pahalgam a few days ago. Ground Zero, which draws inspiration from the valor of BSF officer Narendranath Dhar Dubey, is set within the context of the Kashmir conflict, albeit during a different period. Dubey was among the heroes involved in the operation that neutralized the notorious terrorist Ghazi Baba back in 2003. Directed by Tejas Prabha Vijay Deoskar, Ground Zero is a decently made film that by and large sticks to the core of the story. There is no jingoism and chest thumping which could have easily overshadowed the immensely tough work done by the soldiers and officers in the valley. You do wish though that the storytelling was tighter and steered clear of the emotional songs that are used to punctuate some of the scenes. A more clinical approach, like a military operation, would have allowed emotions to emerge naturally. Set in 2001, Dubey is a BSF officer stationed in Kashmir where militants mislead the youth, enticing them with promises of substantial financial rewards to join their ranks and target police and soldiers at close range. Dubey and his team strive to uncover the truth and dismantle the gang, facing considerable challenges. आज risk नहीं लिया तो कल सबके लिए risk हो जाएगा. That means if I don't take risk today, tomorrow may pose a risk for everyone, he says more than once. At one point, the narrative transitions to Delhi, where Dubey, defying the wishes of his superior, played by Mukesh Tiwari, arrives in the capital to investigate connections to terrorism. Concurrently, the intelligence bureau chief, played by Rahul Vora, exhibits an overconfident demeanor, believing he knows it all, while his assistant Adila, played by Zoya Hossain, offers a more compassionate perspective. Dubey is depicted as a devoted family man, with his wife played by Sai Tamankar, who also forms friendship with a Kashmiri youth named Hussain. Now, Hussain also serves as an occasional informant for Dubey. Although the emotional depth of the storyline is effective, the exploration of the dramatic element lacks dramatic strength. The film appropriately emphasizes the importance of winning the trust of the population, posing the question, "Ye zameen hamari hai ya log?" which means, does the land belong to us or the people belong to us? In a notably dramatic exchange, Dubey's injured colleague says, "Ye zameen bhi hamari hai aur ye log bhi hamare hai," which means the land and the people both are ours. The latter portion of the film shows real-life events such as the 2001 Parliament attack, followed by the Akshardham temple attack the subsequent year. The climax unfolds during Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee's visit to Kashmir. In the narrative, Dubey opts to become a solitary operative, later joined by two colleagues to eliminate Ghazi Baba from his hideout where he resides with other civilians. Lalit Prabhakar portrays a fellow soldier named Praveen, and the camaraderie between the soldiers is a fitting element of the storyline. However, the supporting characters require further development. Adila is intended to be a senior strategist for the intelligence bureau, but she is depicted in one scene alongside soldiers on a mission wearing full gear and all. Imran Hashmi delivers a commendable performance in the lead role, effectively conveying vulnerability, uncertainty and confidence in balanced proportions. While Ground Zero does not introduce groundbreaking concepts, it also avoids following a conventional path. It did have the potential for more. I'm going to go with 2.5 out of 5 stars for the new Imran Hashmi movie called Ground Zero. Well, that's what I thought of Ground Zero, which was released this week. Do let us know what you think, and I'll be back with you next week with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.